Okay, congratulations po. Okay, congratulations po. QR Towers for winning the game. Via forfeit po yan.
Congratulations,
QR Towers po, presenting also medals. Medals po. Ano nga gold cash po yan. Plus, okay, trophy po. Trophy plaque.
Congratulations for Towers. Our second runner-up award.
Okay, the man in red winning the third runner-up or second runner-up. Yeah. With gold cash also.
Right. 1, 2, 3.
Along with Sir Philip po.
Can you raise the trophy? And then point finger on the trophy, please. Point finger.
Ah.
Okay. 1, 2, 3. Alright. Okay.
Okay, congratulations.
Congratulations, QR Towers winner. Winner po. Okay. Okay, Makoy. Makoy. Talan na, talan. Okay, sir, Sino? Oh, tumuro kayo,
Sponsor, LBC.
Okay. Talan, ikaw na lang. Sige, wala kayo. Sino ba lolo? Sino ba leader pa talaga dito, ha? Okay, Kamis, congratulations. And of course, what to expect now on the next season po ng QR Towers for sure. Yan.
Next season, I'm gonna train more.
Okay, good.
Gonna play more games.
Okay.
Hopefully, we get the final next year.
Yeah, you pull it up really for the third place. Then of course, we expect a lot more improved QR Towers next season.
LBC.
Next week. This year, we're the third place. Next year, we're the first.
Okay, thank you, sir. Mr. Kamis. Okay, Velasco. Congratulations, sir. Nakain yung third place po. Now, what to expect po next season po ng QR Towers? Next year yan. Next year, bakbakan niya muli.
Makita nyo si Steph Curry, makita nyo si Luka, makita.
Nice girl!
Ibig sabihin po,
Masama ba namin yung mga players na hindi naglaro nung nakaraan makapag-draw guys? The likes of JD and Jose next season.
lahat po yan, gusto mo namin yung target mo. Kaya pag kumpleto kami, mananalo kami. Full team po kami.
Okay. Makoy. Ano nangyari? Makoy, ikaw na lang. Makoy. Anyway po, sir. Congratulations, third place po kayo. Alam po natin, gusto niyo yung quarterfinals kaya nandito kayo dito pero natalo kayo sa battle sa semifinals. Pero still, what expect of Papal Square Towers po next season?
Next season, kami naman
I don't believe that it's only
Okay, good.
Huh? They didn't believe. No, it's only trended. Next season, much better.
Nag-ano.
Schedule.
Oh, yun talaga eh. Sana magkaroon kayo ng adjustment talaga next season para lahat makakapag-go talaga. Okay, yan po. Masasabi po natin po yun po. Sige po, sir. Next season po, we'll expect po talaga a lot, a revamp or parang reorganize or let's say research and QR Towers po. We did maraming sa congratulations po for winning the third runner-up or second round po. Yan po, ito po ang Team QR Towers. We're going now in 3, 2, 1. Maraming salamat po. O yan, makawin na po. Yan.
Next year, champion.
Okay, thank you po. Thank you.